Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Recon Installs. Today we will be installing a set of Recon smoked LED taillights on a 2017 Ford F350 dually. The Recon part number is 264299LEDBK. These Recon lights replace OEM LED style taillights and have high-powered red bar-style LED running lights, red LED brake and turn signals, and white LED reverse lights. They are plug-and-play and are very easy to install. These lights will also utilize the factory bliss system. First, remove the factory taillights by dropping the tailgate and removing the 2 retention screws on each light. Then, you can gently pull the light from its location by holding the top and bottom and applying firm pressure to release the 2 exterior studs from their sockets. Unplug the wiring harness to finish the OEM taillight removal. Next, remove the 4 screws on the rear of the OEM taillight that holds the bliss module in place. With the screws removed, you will be able to pull the module away from the lens, then disconnect the wiring harness from the unit. Using the plug on your new Recon taillight, reconnect the bliss system and then install that into the light and tighten the 4 screws to secure the unit. Insert the wiring harness from the truck back into the bliss module and then push the light back into place by aligning the 2 outer studs with their respective sockets. Tighten the 2 retention screws and repeat these steps to install the other taillight. Congratulations on your new Recon LED taillights.